Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today we're out of the shop and we're buttoning up the chicken coop here, and I believe today is the day where we're going to let the birds out of their house for the first time and see how they like the run, see if they like the door and all that stuff. So let's see how it goes. As you can tell, it's mostly done. It's not perfect. It's got quite a bit left to be done to it yet. Still got to wrap the house eventually, or the coop. But their run is fully fenced in. I modified an old wood screen door we had in the shop, cut it down height-wise, and set it up for the door. And I will be going around the base and sinking panels into the ground all the way around it to prevent predators from digging in. But yeah, also got a little ramp cobbled together for them for now. I don't have anything bigger to build it out of right now, so I'll have to pick up a 2x12 or something like that, or figure something else out with it. But anywho, I'm gonna go on in here and open this door and see if the birds will even come out. Well, let's see what they think about this. Well, right now, we got one curious here, but the rest of them are hiding in the corner from it. So we'll give them some space and see if they'll come on out. Well, as you can see behind me, all the girls finally made it outside, and they seem to be pretty content with their new space. If I can come around here. So, for right now, I've just got their little waterer and their little feeder out here from when they were babies. But I'm still gotta build them, their bigger ones and everything, which will be permanent. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it off here. Short video, but just wanted to give a little update on how things are going. And yeah, so if you have any comments, criticisms, drop them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.